welcome to a new video. I'm going to try a new model plane today. It's going to be a Messerschmitt Bf109E-3 and it's a 1:72 scale model. I've done two of these previously, quite enjoyed doing them, and they're actually stuck on my wall above the case here. I've done a Spitfire and I did a Hurricane the last time. So I'm going to document me doing this Messerschmitt, see if I can make a decent job of it. Don't think I did a bad job of the Hurricane. Spitfire doesn't look very good, but that was my first attempt, but the Hurricane looks really good. So we'll give this a go, see if I can make a mess of it. So let's see what we get in the kit. Okay, go. So there's all our bits, instructions. And then we've got our paintbrush, paints, polycement. Help us build the kit. It's a complete kit, this comes with everything. So, and then on the back we've got the colour scheme and the transfers. Actually, where are the transfers? Oh, they'll be in here a bit. Yeah, there's your decals. I'll do them up there out the way. Let me just raise you up a bit because you're a bit low down there. Okay. There's the instructions. We're going to start at number 1, obviously. So what I shall do, I shall document this as I'm doing it by photograph, and let's see how we get on.